How to make money as a teenager online for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online as a teenager in 2024 completely free. Stick around because by the end of this video, you know 2 methods that can turn your laptop into a money-making machine, earning hundreds of dollars a day. One method is 100% and the other is faster but require a small investment. Don't worry, I'll guide you to step by step so you can start making money today. This super cool platform called Teespring allows you to upload your design and plaster them on almost anything you can think of, like phone cases, t-shirts, mugs, hats, pillowcases, posters, tapestries, and even canvas print. They have got tons of stuff. Seriously, if you can imagine it, they probably have it. And the best part, you don't have to worry about handling any of the shipping or customer service. Teespring take care of everything. Your job is to just come up with a awesome design and upload them. Easy, right? Now, I'm going to walk you through 2 different methods to get your design up to Teespring. The first method is completely free. That's right. It won't cost you a single cent. The second method is a bit more efficient and can get you high quality design, but it will cost you a little bit of money. If you're just starting out and you don't want to spend any money upfront, stick with the free method. Once you start making some serious cash, you can then reinvest in the pay method to scale up even faster. The free method with Canva. First, we are going to explore the free route. You are going to need to head over to canva.com. Canva is a fantastic free tool where you can design pretty much anything. Whether you are designing a phone cases, a t-shirt or mug, Canva has you covered. Just head over to the template section and you see tons of pre-designed templates that you can customize to your heart content. Let's use a t-shirt as an example. You just select a t-shirt template that catches your eyes. For instance, they have this super mom templates now. This one pretty cool. Imagine a bunch of mom wearing this t-shirt, structuring the stuff and feeling super. You could literally just download this as is, upload it to Teespring, and you are done. But let me be honest, you probably want to tweak it a bit to make it uniquely yours. Maybe change up the color a bit or play around with the font. Canva gives you tons of flexibility to make your design stand out. They have got all kinds of graphics, shapes, stickers, and more to help you get creative. The key is to be as unique and creative as possible. Maybe even think about jumping on some hat trend. Remember, when Fortnite was all of the rage, people were making bank selling Fortnite themed t-shirts. So think about what trended now. Is there a popular game or meme that people cannot get enough of? Use that to your advantage. Getting trendy and creative. Speaking of trend, let's talk about how you can use them to really make a splash. Jumping on a trend can be one of the quickest way to get sales. I mean, think about it. If everyone is obsessed with a new game, movie, or even a meme, and you can create a design around that, chances are it's going to sell. For example, back when everyone was crazy about this game with little guy running around and bumping into each other, what was it called? Fall Guys. Yes, that's it. People were eating up anything related to that. So take a minute to think about what trending right now. Maybe there's a new game or maybe there's a viral change going around. Whatever it is, try to incorporate that into your design. You could even ask someone, maybe ask your friend, or drop a comment down below if you have got a hat trend idea. Once you have got an idea, hop on Canva, write up a design and get it uploaded to Teespring. You could even wear your own designs. Imagine walking up to school or work in a custom t-shirt you design. People are definitely going to ask where you got it, and boom, you have got yourself some potential customers right there. Hand them a link to your Teespring store and watch the magic happen. The paid method with Fiverr. Alright, let's switch gears a bit and talk about the paid method. This is where things can get really interesting, especially if you are not the most creative person or just don't have time to design everything yourself. For this method, we are going to use Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where you can hire freelancers to do pretty much anything for you, from graphic design to voiceover. In our case, we are going to hire someone to design t-shirts. Just go to fiverr.com and type in t-shirt design. You will see a ton of options pop up. You can find people who will design professional quality design for as little as $5. This can save you a ton of time and effort. Just find a design whose style you like, send them a brief with your ideas, and let them do the magic. In a few days, you have awesome design design ready to upload. Let's look at a specific example. Say you find a designer offering 2 creative t-shirt designs for $5. You can send them your ideas, maybe something quicker, something trending, or even just as simple, clean design. They will create the design for you. In a few days, you get your files, no stress, no mess. You just upload those to Teespring and start selling. This method is great because it allows you to get high quality design without having to be a designer yourself. Plus, many designers will provide you with files that have transparent background, which looks super slick on any color t-shirt. Uploading your design. Once you have got your design, whether you made them yourself on Canva or hired someone on Fiverr, it's time to get them up on Teespring. Start by creating a free account on Teespring if you have not already. Once you are logged in, you will see a dashboard with all your analytics, like how many products you have sold and how much money you have made. Pretty cool, right? Next, click on Start Creating at the top of the page. Choose the type of product you want to sell. Let's stick with our t-shirt example. You will then select the quality of the t-shirt, like whether you want a premium soft cotton tee or more a basic option. Each one has a different base cost, but you don't have to worry. This cost only come out after you made a sale. So if your base cost is $11.75 and you sell the t-shirt for $20, you keep the difference. Simple as that. After selecting your product, it's time to upload your design. Just click Add Image, select your file, and watch it pop up on the product. You can also add text if you want. But if your design is solid, you probably don't need to. One tip, if you are using Canva, try to get a transparent background for your design. It makes the final product look much more professional, especially if you are offering it in multiple colors. Fiverr designer usually provide this, which is another reason to consider the paid route. Setting up your store. Now that your design is uploaded, you can choose the colors you want to offer. If your design has a transparent background, you are golden. It will look great on any color. But if it has a white or a solid background, you might want to be selective about which color you offer. Once you have picked your colors, you can also add design to the back of the t-shirt and keep it simple with just a font design. Click continue and now you are in the final stretch. Here you can set your prices. Teespring suggests a price, but you can adjust it based on how much profit you want to make. The higher you set the price, the more you make per sale. But remember, you also want to be competitive. If you set the price too high, you might scare off potential customers. You can even set different prices for different products. Maybe you want to sell t-shirts for $19.99 and hoodies for $39.99. It's totally up to you. Play around with it and see what works best, and don't be afraid to experiment a little. This is your store after all. Marketing. Now, here's where the fun really begins. Marketing your store. You have got your design up. Now, it's time to get people to see them. There are so many ways you can go about this. Start by sharing your design on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever platform you are on. You could even wear your own design in your TikTok videos or Instagram stories. People love seeing product in action. If you are in school, wear your own design and talk them up to your friend. Word of mouth is still one of the most powerful marketing tools out there. You can even create a little buzz by giving a few t-shirts away to friends and ask them to share pictures on social media. If people see others wearing your t-shirt, they're more likely to want one for themselves. Another great way to market your t-shirt is by using YouTube or starting a blog. Share your journey, talk about the design process, or even do tutorial on how to create your own design. This can draw people in and build a community around your brand. And once people feel connected to your brand, and they are much likely to buy from you. Reflecting and adapting. One of the things I have learned on my journey is that it's all about adapting. Sometimes a design you think is going to be a hit might not sell as well as you hope it. That's okay. Take a step back and think about what you could do differently. Maybe try a different design style or target a different trend. The great thing about Teespring is that there's a very little risk involved. You're not spending any money upfront, so feel free to experiment. If you are finding that one niche is not working, try another. Maybe t-shirt are not your thing. What about phone cases or posters? posters. People love customizing their spaces, so try creating some motivational posters or funky font cases. The possibilities are endless. The key here is to keep going and not get discouraged. Remember, every successful entrepreneur faces failures. It's how you learn and adapt that really matters. Now, if you really like this content and find it very informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe so that way you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.